You know gold is your best friend when you're a trader because gold tells you the truth. It's like the bond market. You want to know what's really going on with the market? Is it going to correct or crash, keep going? Look at gold. Why? Well, because remember, for years, they suppressed gold. Who's they? Wall Street, the Federal Reserve. Because they don't want the message to get out that something's wrong with our economy or our market to our lenders, China, Japan, and UK. They're our three lenders. Now, what's interesting this time, those are the three biggest buyers of gold. So they know, they can't mask it. They know what's going on. They know when gold has gone up since 2020, right here, this is insane. Since 2020, gold has gone up 153%. From 2025, January, it's gone up over 50%. They know something's wrong. Gold is a big red flag when it goes up. They can't mask it this time. See, the problem is when you go to borrow money from our three lenders, they want high interest rates because they know we're in trouble. Internally, I'm talking about. So they mask it. What are they doing? Every time, and remember, you got a handful of stocks. Like I said, you got chip providers, NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. And then you got the cloud providers, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. Then you got some smaller ones, IBM, Oracle. That's it. That's the whole stock market. And when those stocks start coming down, the CEOs buy those shares back. And the less shares they own, or the less shares that are outstanding, the stock price goes up. What a game. That's why it was illegal. That's why you went to jail when you did that. But Reagan changed that and made it legal. So the problem we're having now is that the tourist investor, who's the tourist investor? Tourist investor, he's impulsive, he's a gambler, he loves leverage, he doesn't want to learn. He's not the retail investor. Oh, Wall Street loves them. So what they're doing, remember, all the big institutions, your hedge funds, your big insurance companies, they're all dumping these tech stocks, the leadership tech stocks. But we don't see it in the S&P. It doesn't reflect. Why? Because remember what Wall Street is doing. They're providing a massive amount of money for margin accounts so that the tourist investor who is so scared he's going to miss out, he keeps jumping it every time these stocks drop. So you don't see the S&P dropping. So we got this whole illusion. You heard everything's wonderful. Now, the difference is, yes, they can keep this market going for a long time. So it doesn't mean you get out of the market. It means that you keep following the money and keep making money. But you got to know the signs that when this market's going to turn, it's going to collapse, and it's going to crash, and you're ready. You have an insurance policy. And what's that? Learning how to sell short. Wall Street doesn't want you to learn how to sell short. They scare you to death. Oh, you're going to sell short. You're going to lose everything. And your firstborn, we take him too. So enjoy this rally. We're not going to see anything like this, at least in my lifetime, where the stocks just keep going up. And you don't have to have earnings or profits. It will turn. You know, when something's that good, something's wrong. And gold is telling us that. So enjoy it. But build your insurance policy. Learn how to sell short. So the day comes when this market's going to turn, and it will, you'll be prepared, and you'll make more money on the way down. Check us out, philsgang.com. We've been an education group since 1998. We've helped over 225,000 students. We want to help you too. philsgang.com, free for 10 days.